your authenticity, no? Show your true self, no? For some of you, maybe, kung makikita mo rito, this one is so colorful, no? Right, no? For some of you, no? Gender naman tayo right here, no? So, maybe, ang iba sa inyo is, tinatago yung kanilang gender, kung ano man sila, right, no? Kumbaga, nahihiya kayo to show your true self, no? So, yeah, for some of you, yeah, maybe kung ano yung true gender nyo, hindi nyo siya mailabas, no? But then, sinasabi sa inyo ng inyong inner self na be authentic, show your true self, no? Something like that, no? Kung ano man kayo, ano man itong pagkatao nyo, it's yourself, it's your authenticity, no? Diba? Kayo yan, huwag kayong mahihiya, no? Huwag nyong, kumbaga, huwag mong pagdamutan yung sarili mo to be happy with your own self, with your true self, right, no? So, yun ang sinasabi. Kumbaga, i-reveal mo sino ka, right, no? So, ito yung sinasabi for some of you, no? So, and the other one is, parehas pa rin to kanina with the air sign and the fire sign, no? Lumabas rin to, no? So, sinasabi rin dito, no? Water sign, no? Na be silent, no? Kung ano man ang mga plans nyo sa buhay, goals in life, whatever it is, baka sa inyong career or business, no? You have this key, you have the door. Anytime you can open the door, right? No? But then, once you open the door, kung ano man yung nasa loob niyan, huwag nyo munang ipagsasabi, right? Something like that, no? So, kung ano man yung mga nalalaman nyo, maybe, ideas, pwede rin, no? Something like that, no? Kasi ang door, kumbaga, this is your creativeness, right, no? So, maybe, whatever your ideas, huwag mong ipagsasabi, no? Para hindi masabotahin ng ibang tao, right, no? Kasi, kumbaga, right now, people around you, no? Hindi mo dapat pagkatiwalaan, no? Something like that. Kasi hindi natin masasabi sino ang totoo, sino ang hindi, right? No? So, kung whatever it is na iyong mga plans, kung ano man yan na naisa-isip mo, no? Before you execute those plans, no? Whatever it is, wag mo muna ipagsasabi, no? So, yeah, that's it, no? So, ayan ang sinasabi ng iyong inner self, no? Sarilin mo muna yan, no? Ikaw lang muna ang dapat makaalam yan, right? No? So, yeah, that's it, no? For you, water sign. And lastly, check natin.